Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Trust you guys are good. Guys, join me. Let me show you how I prepare this delicious and a healthy swallow that you will love. Are you trying to live healthy, lose weight? Are you a diabetic patient? This recipe is for you. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Ta-da! So beautiful people, here we have our oats. I'm going to be using 2 packets of it, so that is 2 kg. All right, you use depending on the quantity that you want or you prefer. If today is your first time coming across this channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Guys, subscription is free of charge. It doesn't cost you anything. Okay, please do support us, subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment, and also turn on your notification bell for more amazing healthy recipes. So over here I'm going to be adding my chia seed. Of course, you know the healthy benefits of it, right? So here we have our flax seed. So use any seed of your choice. Once you know it is healthy, you are good to go. To my amazing returning subscribers, God bless you all. I really appreciate. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Your girl is grateful. Here I'm using yellow guinea corn. Okay, so that is it. We're going to be adding it. Once we are done, we mix everything until it is well combined.
Gentle rhythm, steady flame. Healthy living, no more shame. One small choice, one small win. Building strength from deep within. MIRA'S kitchen, soft and bright, turning small steps into light. Welcome to MIRA'S kitchen side, where common flavor glisten in every meal. A quiet glow, loving myself as I grow in MIRA'S.
Now it's time to blend everything until it is well combined. We're going to be blending it until it is smooth, okay, but not 100%. It's not gonna be smooth like flour, okay. So that is it. Over here you can see the first batch. Yeah, perfect. So let's go ahead to do it until we are done using them up. So at this point, I am done blending. I have to transfer it in my airtight container, just the way I store them, okay? So that is it, beautiful people. This looks so beautiful, right? So at this point, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this perfect swallow. Over here, you can see a pot of boiling water. I have to reduce to the quantity that I want, so I added little olive oil. Why do we add this olive oil? Just to prevent it from sticking, okay. So I went in with my little olive oil, added the flour, our mixture, our concoction. So I'm going to be, mixing everything until a nice and smooth dough is formed and well cooked. With our water go, your more you have to gather all your muscles here, right? Don't mind your care. So that is what I'm doing over here. Just want to show you guys how you can make this perfect healthy swallow without regret. More, can you see? Very nice, very nice. You can see I've gotten the consistency that I want. In swallow, some people prefer it light, some prefer it very strong or be hard. I don't know. Yeah, but me, you can see me over here, I prefer my own very light. Now what I go light. So I'm done mixing them. Of course, I have to go in with just little boiled water, the water that I reduced from the pot earlier, okay. So I have to cover it for about 2 minutes, but at this point you can skip if you are satisfied with that. Almost I have to make sure it is well cooked. That is how I prefer making my greens, my swallows. Okay, so for some minutes now, you can see after 2 minutes, I have to mix everything until it is well incorporated. Yeah, that is what I'm doing. The grease is almost ready. 95% done. I'll be 99% done. Okay. So that is it. Let's mix everything together.
Quiet strength, gentle grace, fresh ingredients on display, healing slowly, day by day. Every slice, every stir, soft reflections of who we are. Not perfection, just progress made. Self-love served on every plate. We don't rush, we take it slow. Let the inner beauty show. Mind and body in a line, choosing wellness every time. Welcome to MIRA'S kitchen, there where calm and flavor glisten in every meal.
So, guys, at this point, our swallow is ready. Can you see what I'm seeing? This looks so good, so nice and delicious as well. So I went ahead to tie it up so it doesn't dry up, or you can consume yours immediately if it is how you prefer it. Of course, I can't finish this grease immediately, only me, right? So that is it. That is me tying it up. Yeah, and we are good to go. Our swallow is ready. Will you be trying out this recipe? If you will, let me know what you think in the comment section. Honestly, you will love it.
We live in no more shame.
Now it's time to serve and enjoy, okay? Enjoy with any soup of your choice. So over here, I'm using our hard soup to enjoy this delicious recipe. You know what's that go? Guys, so that is it. So the swallow at this moment has cooled down. It's not too hot. You can see how it is. It doesn't stick. It's very good and soft. You can see it's almost oh, it's time to enjoy. I really enjoy this soup, this swallow. I don't go lie for now. So that is it, beautiful people. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for stopping by. I really appreciate. Please do not forget to subscribe. Let's build this ministry together. All right. Thank you all. See you guys in our next one. And remember this. Bye.
It's on display, healing slowly, day by day. Every slice, every stir,